the path that you took, you know, the decisions that you have made in the past, everything that happened in your life, the experiences, the decisions, the actions, the behavior, everything was designed to bring you or to mold you or to shape you to the person that you were destined to be. That is why you should let go of the need to judge thyself. Don't judge thyself. Don't beat thyself. You know, allow thyself to express itself to the fullest. That is where forgiving thyself comes in order